Holy shit, I locked myself into this truck. Child lock was on the new trucks. That's crazy. I'm locked inside this truck. Just making a review. What the heck? So what should I do now? You know what? I'm gonna...
Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh. That's insane.
Good day everybody, this is Vic from V-Drive bringing it to you the most expensive Elevation 2025 that you can buy in Canada right now. This is the Elevation Premium with the 6.6 box and the max towing package. It's a diesel with the leather and so many other options which I'm going to get into. This color is called Summit White. As you can see, beautiful looking truck. Price of this truck is just around $84,000, which I'm going to show it to you. This is the signature GMC key. As you can see, this one has a nice blacked out front end with a 360 camera, front camera there, black recovery hooks, and obviously you have aero shutters behind this grill. As you can see, they stay closed until the engine is warming up so that it can trap more and more heat inside the engine bay there. Block heater socket is just underneath here. You have the full LED lights, as you can see, with the two projector lamps, and you have a block heater cord, which I already mentioned. You have your fog lamps here, front end sensors, and all that good stuff there. Comes with a 20 inches blacked out wheels, which is the standard equipment on all the Elevation, and this one has matching fender flares, which is an additional equipment came from the factory here. Now these ones come with blacked out polymer material too, but obviously these ones are all body matched. Looks pretty cool. Duramax turbo diesel, which I'm going to get into in a second. In the Elevation Premium, you do get the indicator, the turn signal marker lamps on here, and gloss black mirror right here. It's an Elevation package. It's a crew cab and 6.6 box. You have acoustic liners inside. You have a little bit of a heavier suspension for a maximum loading there. You can tow up to 13,000 pounds with this baby here, which is pretty cool. You have a standard tailgate at the back, but you can also have a multi-pro tailgate that comes down as a step. You have sensors at the back, connectors for your trailer, and you can also connect extra cameras at the back here too. You can drop your tailgate just like this. Look at this. It takes a sweet time to come down, right, which is pretty cool. You have 120 volt boat right there. You have bed lights inside, and obviously the bed liner as well. Alright, here's the heart of the vehicle here. Previous year model, it was LM2 engine putting out 277 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque paired to 10-speed transmission. Now they changed multiple different things. They changed the piston bores, they changed the piston rings and piston rods and few other things in the turbo. Now it's almost pushing 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque. Talking about fuel economy, it's a 91-liter tank. I have heard from some people you can get up to 1,100 kilometers out of this, or even more. Right, and if you're talking about liters per 100 kilometers, it's going to be 6.5 liter per 100 kilometers. You can go down to that level, which is amazing. So if you're looking for a fuel economy, this is the guy. Question for you all of you folks. Would you take this truck over a Ford F-150 EcoBoost hybrid? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Let's just show you the interior real quick. Here it is, black leather interior inside. It comes with the all-weather mats already. You have the real wood right here, aluminum plating, and obviously leather seats here. You have space behind your seats right here. There's a rear sliding window, enough space right here. You have USB-C ports, and it does not come with the heated seat for the second row, which is a little bit questionable considering it's an $84,000 truck. You have under-seat storage, block heater cord, all that stuff. Let me show you the seat spacing at the back here. Hope you're able to see it here. There's plenty of space here. My seat front one is all the way back, the way I like to sit, but still it's a decent amount of space for a truck. It's a perfect hauler that you can use. At the front end here, you also get the same real wood aluminum plating, Bose stereo system, power seats with the lumbar support on the driver's side, but passenger side is fully manual, which I'm trying to think, that can be a problem for some of you, right? Let's just fire this baby here real quick. All right, nice layout all around. You have the leather wrap steering wheel with the pedal shifters. No heads-up display, but you have forward collision, all that cool stuff. You have 4x4 controls, light controls as well. You have 360 camera. Look at this. All these camera angles, they're amazing. If you're parking in a tight parking spot, you can see everything around here. You have a bed view camera here to which you can zoom in like this. You have a hitch view camera, which is pretty cool. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is wireless, and you do have a trailering specific mode there. Lane assist, park assist, auto shut off, tailgate opener, traction control, emergency lights, and you can press this button to drop all the windows, as you can see. The only problem is that you'll have to pull them up manually now, like this. So which is a little bit of a weird feature. I'm just trying to think why they add this one. Trailer brake controller right here, which is conveniently located here in the older body style. It was right on the left side here. Heated seats, 10-speed transmission. You have your wireless charger here, 110, and all these extra things here. Hey folks, this is Vic. I just thought to show my face here. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and like this video. More and more fun content is on the way. Thank you. All right, here we are back to our quick drive that I can show it to you and express my feelings with this truck here. It feels really good. 495 torque, you can actually feel it right off the back here. It goes, the acceleration is not like a 5.3 or a 6.2 V8 engine that GMC offers, but considering the fact that you get a great fuel economy, the towing capacity is amazing, especially with the max tow package, and 13,000 pounds that you can pull with this. It's pretty cool actually. It feels comfy with the suspension that this one has. It's quite quite vehicle, quite tuned. It's quite noise deadening. You have the little mics all around the vehicle that detects any kind of unwanted noise and cancel it out with the speakers, which is pretty cool actually. I'll just show it to you how it handles on the highway. You do have adaptive cruise control, pedal shifters, all that stuff too, which makes it really good. And with the inbuilt Google, you can be anywhere in the world, and just with the voice command you can activate it too. And it looks like this. Here it is. It just goes as soon as you step on the gas. It feels good. Since it's a diesel, it makes a little bit of a noise, more than a V8 engine from what I can feel, even on a normal running. But you know what, it's pretty much manageable. It's not a problem at all. It detects every car in front of you because there's a camera right in this console here for forward collision, so you know that your safety is ensured with this truck, which is pretty decent. It handles nice, it's quiet. Let's just say I will try to give it a little bit pull, and let's just see how it handles. Look at this. Quite responsive. Let me know what your thoughts are. Comment below. Let me know if you ever got a chance to drive this LM2 or the LZ0 engine at all, and what was your experience. And if you have any specific questions, let me know as well. And if there's any particular car you would like to see on our channel, please let me know. I'll be happy to go out and find that vehicle and record it for you. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.